What's going on with your knee?
I had the operation, the injection. I have a little pain, but the most difficulty is sitting for a long time, like driving, sitting at a eating. When I get ready to get up,
Give out or
I start walking.
loosen up?
Yeah, it starts loosening up. I'm pretty good.
You had a surgery. What type of
Orthoscopic.
orthoscopic for knee? Okay.
They repaired it.
What type of injection?
He's been putting gel in it.
Okay. When did you have the surgery?
2 months ago.
2 months ago?
I think it was
Okay.
at the end of September.
Tell me about your current symptoms. How much pain and what type?
Right now it's about a 5. If I sit for a while and then I get up, that's when I get the pain.
Where you feel pain?
It's usually at my knee, around this area.
As soon as you get up, you feel the pain.
I get about 10 or 12 steps and it starts to dissipate.
What else is difficult for you? Stairs?
The stairs usually aren't. Maybe in the morning coming down.
When you wake up.
Grab onto something. I can come down without.
Okay,
or
yeah.
Same way.
Let me see how you walk first, and then I will take your range of motion. So we're gonna walk here, just a straight line back and forth. It's just normal walking. And turn around. Okay. So your leg going a little bit out. Okay. Just okay. So I want you to lie on your back. We'll measure your knee range of motion before treatment. Then we'll do the treatment and measure it again. Push your knee down. So as you see here, his knee extension is minus 15. Right in here, minus 15. Okay. Bend your knee. Okay. That's where you start to feel the pain.
Yeah.
And the knee flexion, it's 100 here. You see the number 100? I'm gonna work with you. Make sure it's not painful, okay? And then we're gonna measure it again. Okay. Bend your knees. You feel the pain deep or outside?
I would say deep. In here, right around here, or on this side.
Yeah.
I hit.
Yeah. Be nice to yourself. Yeah. Is that painful?
Okay.
I'm just trying to release the tightness. And then we're gonna measure your range of motion afterward. How are you doing with that? Okay. Feel pain. Is that painful? It's okay.
No pain.
Okay.
The pressure. That's all.
Just pressure. Can you tell the difference?
No, just pressure.
All right. Okay, let's bend your knees. Okay. Straight your knee. Straight. Okay. Feel pain.
On the outside underneath.
What pain? Yes. Both.
The level.
Relax. Let's bend your knee and tell me how this feels. How's that? Better?
Took off the stiffness.
Okay.
Pain.
Let me check the range of motion. It's about 110. Let's work on it. Can you roll this up? Oops. It's gonna feel cold. I'm working on breaking the scar tissue. You feel those bumps here?
Yeah.
This is scar tissue. So our muscle should act like a rubber band. When it contracts and relaxes, it does this. When we have a scar tissue, it's like a knot in the rubber band. So when your muscle contracts, it does not stretch much. And that's limited the range of motion. And if you have too much scar tissue, you could compress on the artery nerve or cause like numbness or tingling. So what I'm trying to do with this instrument, with ASTR instrument, is to break in those scar tissue to loosen up. You feel like it's a washboard, yeah? I'm gonna break that down and then we're gonna measure the range of motion afterward and see how you're doing.
You should call the transporter to the Irvine office.
No idea that.
Yeah, scar tissue happen with any injury, like accident, trauma, or poor posture. It's a normal part of healing, but if we have too much scar tissue, that's causes limitations. So the goal is actually to break that down. So you will gain the range of motion and hopefully relieve pain. Over time, scar tissue will shrink. So let me clean this up, and I want you to bend your knee and tell me how this feels. Okay, bend my knee. How's it?
Not too bad. Still get pain. Probably about.
For now, it's 115. Okay.
More.
Yeah, 115. It was 100 first. Where do you feel the pain?
In here.
In there.
Yeah.
All right. Is that painful? Right underneath. Painful? It's okay.
Okay, so
Sorry. I don't believe in painful treatment because there's fine line between raising and causing damage. If you start feeling pain, there's a chance we're causing more trauma to the healthy tissue, and that would cause more scar tissue, so it will interfere with the progression of the treatment. So I don't want you to feel pain. Okay, it's bent. Do you feel pain or it's gone?
No, I still feel the same about 4.
Where do you feel it?
Right here. Feel like when I relax, it releases the pain or stiffness.
Ok, pero espera un segundito, ¿ok?
Pressure. Pressure is fine. As long as you don't feel pain, it's okay.
Sorry, ya.
It's bending. And how does feel?
Feels a little stiff. You need to stretch.
Yep.
Make things feel better. The pain's about 4 and
Okay.
maybe 3.
So
A
now
little bit less.
it's a 118, so that's 18 degrees.
You're kidding me.
You feel it through that spot. So relax. Is that painful while I'm doing this?
No.
Make sure this is not painful. You really tight. We got a lot
Yeah.
of work to do. I'm sorry. So you have a lot of scar tissue in your hamstring in the back here. Is that painful here? You feel that?
No, it's not painful. You can feel the ripples.
That's a scar tissue. Feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you will notice this will decrease with ASTR instruments. I don't know if you can hear it,
Yeah.
but it's a loud sound. Here, there's hardly no sound.
No ripples.
The good thing about this instrument is designed to help detect the scar tissue and break it down. Is that too much?
No, you don't.
Okay.
There's a little bit of pain here, right?
Make
But
sure it's
that's
not painful, okay?
Nothing I can't stand.
Make sure it's not painful. Fine line between breaking the scar tissue and causing scar tissue. We don't want that. Listen now, lie on your back and try it again. How's that? To move?
Yeah.
120. Okay. Let's walk back and forth. Walk. Tell me how you feel with walking now after working on it. Can you tell a difference after working on it? What's the difference?
Doesn't hurt this way.
Yeah.
Porque esos dos exámenes los voy a
It's like it's-
We just worked a few seconds on your back. What happened to your knee after working a few seconds? I knew before we started how much pain was there.
I was at around 4. I went back and it went down to 0.
Thank you.
Relax.
Show us how you move your knee now. Don't break the table.
That's good.
I'm glad you're doing better.
Difference. I'm surprised.
All right, thank you. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.